the 5 African proverbs. They are among the finest wisdom that were left by our ancestors. A person is a person because of other people. NgesiZulu, umuntu ungumuntu ngabantu. What does that mean? We are because of others. We are because of each other. We help one another. We lift each other up, not to kill each other. Number 2, a child that does not cry will die in the carrier. In Zulu, ingane engakhali ifela embelekweni. What does that mean? A person that does not express their needs will not get help. It's important and necessary to ask for help when you need it. 3, knowledge is a garden. If it isn't cultivated, you can't harvest it. NgesiZulu, ulwazi luyinsimu. Uma ungalinywanga awukwazi ukuvuna. What does that mean? If you do not study, if you do not read, you have nothing to harvest for yourself. 4, coffee and love taste best when hot. NgesiZulu, ikhofi nothando kumnandi kushisa. What does that mean? It means things are best while they're still at peak, while they're still hot. 5, a tree is bent while it's still wet. In Zulu, umuthi ugotshwa usemanzi. What does that mean? It means it's best to train and guide a child while they're still developing. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the page.